Our friend Erica down the street has a gorgeous front yard, and so I think you had done it maybe 2 years ago, and they were getting things refreshed, and I said, "Who did your front yard?" And so she said, "San Jose Tree Service." We've been neighbors for 20-something years. Our kids have grown up together. They would play soccer up and down in the front yard. And so we've known that we wanted to have some kind of cohesive design throughout. Our initial meeting with Noe was so positive. He was calm and professional, and he said yes to whatever we said, like, "Hey, we want to have a bocce court," and he said yes.
It really came down to Noe. He understood the idea of what we wanted to do because it wasn't a normal project. Other people that we had talked to, the minute we would tell them that it was a combined project, I don't know why it perturbed people or gave them cause for concern, but doing 2 yards simultaneously together as it's combined, it just seemed like that was a hurdle for a lot of people. Noe instantly got what we were trying to do and actually was excited. We actually didn't get excitement from other people. It was like more of, I guess, yeah, I'll bid on it, kind of thing.
San Jose Tree Service, it's, like I said, from head to toe. They were able to do our Bocce Ball Court. They actually noticed that we needed a retaining wall and let us know that, and we hadn't thought about that before. They do the tree service, they do the landscaping, they did the cement, they just water, the sprinklers, the lighting, everything was all included in the service. So it made it easy for us, I think. Mm-hmm. We didn't have to contract out for other things. And so that was probably, I don't know, the best thing about San Jose Tree Service besides Noe and Jose.
We worked with a plan that you guys were working to, so you were furnishing what we put in front of you as a plan, but what you promised to do to that plan, you over-delivered on that.
Noe would text us with updates and when to expect the crew to come back to finish up the job. That type of stuff is super important that we have that communication with you.
Just believe me when I say that everybody we dealt with was complete professional. The approach to it was professional.
We're super happy.
Yeah,
we're so very happy. Best neighborhood bocce court ever.
This came out better than we ever thought. We had an idea of what we wanted to do, and you made it very easy for two neighbors to work together on a project that could have been, if the person in the middle, the contractor, wasn't as easy to work with, it could have made it hard for all of us to try to get what we wanted out of it. And so thank you.
5 stars.
Excellent.
From top to bottom.
Excellent. Everybody should go with San Jose Tree Service.
Definitely.
Yeah.